Boarding space here is so lovely. We have our lovely kitchen, we have our lovely common room with brand new couches, and everything here is so comfortable for me, which I feel like it's my second home, which is so grateful for me, feeling like I'm at home while I'm living abroad.
The Leighton Park grounds are really big, and it kind of allows you to feel free. You also feel very safe. Because our house is away located from the school buildings, it feels like our actual home.
When I first came, I'd never done boarding before, and I came by myself. I didn't know anyone, and I think the staff were so supportive and just let me settle in so well. And I know if I need to talk to anyone, there is always someone just downstairs.
If you have any questions, whether it's about school or something else like personal stuff, you can always come to them and they try to help you and they definitely support you.
The people, the staff, the other community that live here, we are like a family, like a really big family.
We have lots of mixer events at the beginning of the year, at Christmas, near the end of the year, and it really just gets us all involved with each other and creates this one big community.
The first day I met two of my best friends here, so I was really calm after that, and all of the teachers here are so nice, so supportive with everything. You feel a very special bond.
We're all like a big family because we all see each other every day. If it's in school, in the mornings.
I met a lot of international friends here, and I can learn their culture and they also can learn my culture, which is really nice.
Some of the year 10s and year 9s can ask me about the exam that they're doing, and I can always talk about them, ask about them, my GCSEs or my A-level to the sixth formers.
The food in Leighton Park as a boarder is very good. We get 3 meals a day, and I think there's a good range of what you want to eat, and there's many options for everyone.
In the weekends, they have a lot of activities for you. For example, I've been go-karting. There's also many different trips, for example, to London.
I like that you can choose to go there or just rest here and stay at home or doing some prep. I like that.
I think many students are initially afraid about coming boarding school, but I would say it's totally normal because I felt the same way when I first came. So just don't worry about it too much.
You get to meet so many new people from different cultures. You get to meet a lot of new friends with different backgrounds. So that's very nice and very fun. And I think you would definitely have a great time here.